Veaqee company, founded in 2007. With 14 years experience in the fields of phone accessory, Veaqee is located in Guangzhou Haiju District, CDB office building. Main products are mobile phone charger, data cable, power bank, earphones, auspicious animal horse, which means safety, vitality, loyalty, fast, authority. From 2009 to 2014, we have 7 years OEM/ODM experiences. In 2018, established a dealer brand Miccell with a Peruvian partner who cooperated with Veaqee 11 years. The same year, Miccell started to sell products at 7-Eleven in USA.
Hi, my name is Amir Sherry and I'm the CEO and President of Prodmax Distributor Inc. My company is located in New York, USA. We have been working with Veaqee since 2017. Working with Veaqee is a great experience. They are with you all the time. They work hard. They are also available for you. Since 2018, our sales have been increased almost 400%, and into 2020, we are aiming to double that sales. We understand that's a significant growth for a distributor, especially in a competitive market like New York. That's a huge amount, 400% increase in sales. And this year we are planning to double that sales. It's going to be, hopefully, we're going to double that. Our target sales is over $2 million. The only reasons, I guess, the sales are keep increasing because the quality of Veaqee is consistent. Special thanks to Kobe and Cindy. They've been very helpful. Thank you very much.
Buenos días. Soy la señora Carmen de Vázquez, subgerenta de la empresa Import Skating de Perú. Quisiera mandar saludos a la empresa Veaqee. Ya con esta empresa en realidad nos conocemos desde 2004 y ya vamos trabajando 17 años en los que hemos podido investigar nosotros en Perú productos que necesita el mercado peruano, nuestros distribuidores a nivel nacional. Ellos han podido plasmar como empresa todas nuestras ideas respecto a los productos que queremos entregar a los clientes. Durante este tiempo, en este último año en especial, nuestras ventas han crecido un 100%, lo cual agradecemos mucho por el apoyo a la empresa Veaqee, por su excelencia a la hora de poder desarrollar estos productos que hemos podido brindar a nuestros clientes, tanto como la empresa Miccell como Miccell ahora. Les agradecemos mucho su apoyo. Gracias.
From 2020 to the future, Veaqee must achieve a calculated leap in OEM/ODM, and at the same time making the great-term progress with our own brand Miccell. Company advantages. Number 1, Veaqee company has 40 private mobile products. Number 2, invest 10% of the profits every year as a new product R&D fund. Number 3, 10 private models are developed every year. Number 4, existing certificates ISO 9001 BSCI CE ROSE. Our factory owns 3 high-standard workshops covering an area of 2,500 square meters. 4 production lines, 100 to 150 skilled employees, including 4 professional technical engineers, and the monthly output can reach more than 600,000 pieces. Qualification ISO 9001 BSCI. Every year we participated in different kinds of exhibitions, such as Hong Kong Fair, Las Vegas CEX, Brazil Electronics Show. If you are looking for any phone accessories, just give us a call. We would love to supply excellent individual service with professional sales team.